Hi, my name is Amanda Locatelli and I manage the Tamar, Estuary and Esk Rivers program for NRM North. The tier was established in 2008 as a regional partnership approach for managing the Tamar, Estuary and Esk River systems. The regional partners include the state government, NRM North, Hydro Tasmania, Ben Lomond Water and the 5 local councils within the tier region. Over 15% of Tasmania drains into the Tamar Estuary. The health of our waterways is closely linked to the land use practices applied in the upper catchments. Runoff from agricultural areas, industrial sites, sewage treatment plants and urban areas make it into our waterways and eventually into receiving waters like the Tamar Estuary. The foundation of the tier program is our partnership approach and using a science and evidence-based approach to underpin decision making. We work with over 20 organisations to monitor, report, investigate, communicate and act on issues to maintain and enhance the health of our waterways. Our partners include research organisations, government, industry, businesses and community groups. Along with our partners, the tier couldn't do what we do without a dedicated team of staff. The following short stories and interviews provide a snapshot of some of our recent projects. We hope you enjoy them.
Hi, I'm Michael Attard and I'm the Scientific and Technical Officer with the Tamar, Estuary and Esk Rivers program. Some of my roles within the tier include water quality monitoring, data management and report writing, working group facilitation and general support of the tier projects. One of the tier cornerstone projects is the Ecosystem Health Assessment Program, otherwise known as EHAP. This focuses on assessing and communicating the health of the Tamar River Estuary by collecting environmental data at 20 sites along the estuary, from Launceston and the upper reaches, extending out to Hebe Reef, where the estuary empties out into Bass Strait. The data collected is used to gauge the ecological health and assign grades to the 5 defined zones along the 70-kilometre length of the estuary. Grades are determined by assessing how the water quality data collected from the Tamar compares to the National Water Quality Guidelines. The Tamar Estuary ecosystem health grades and methods are communicated to the community and the tier partners through the Tamar Estuary Report Card and also through the Ecosystem Health Assessment Program Monitoring Report. Both of these are available on the tier website.
Hi, my name is Monique Thompson and I'm the Project Officer for the tier program. One of the projects I want to show you is related to seafood safety in the estuary.
One of the known issues in the estuary is metal contamination, and we wanted to know how much, if any, is being accumulated by the aquatic ecosystem, in particular the fish and shellfish people harvest recreationally. Pacific oysters and fish were collected along the estuary, focusing on public access points such as swimming beaches, pontoons and boat ramps. The samples were compared to the Australian Food Standards Code. The metal levels in the fish were found to be acceptable. However, the Pacific oysters were highly contaminated, with some sites presenting levels 4 times over the safe standard. This supports the current warning from the state government that it is not safe to eat wild shellfish from the Tamar Estuary.
In partnership with the Department of Health, the tier are working to communicate this message to estuary users by distributing brochures, holding media launches and installing signs at public access points along the estuary.
Hi, I'm Darren Green, Stormwater Officer for the tier program at NRM North. The tier program initiated the Stormwater program in 2011 following research which identified stormwater as a significant source of pollution to urban waterways across Tasmania. Now, when we talk about stormwater, we're talking about rainwater runoff in urban areas. Not just urban areas, cities like this one, but smaller towns, villages and suburbs across Tasmania as well. As stormwater flows through these urban areas, it commonly collects a number of pollutants before it flows down into stormwater drains like this one and out into our natural waterways. Now, unlike the water that goes down the drains at home, in the kitchen, the laundry and the bathroom, stormwater generally flows out into the waterways untreated, carrying a number of pollutants which can be harmful to humans and aquatic organisms and can generally impact on the health of Tasmania's waterways. So in efforts to better manage stormwater, NRM North has teamed up with local government and Ben Lomond Water for a coordinated approach, working together to identify and prioritise areas needing attention and to identify the actions required for stormwater quality improvements. Together, we can bring the increase of stormwater pollution to a halt and start working towards cleaner and healthier waterways in the Tier catchment and across Tasmania.
We hope you've enjoyed our video stories. If you'd like to find out more about what the Tier does, please visit our website. Thank you.